Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on CX.io. And what I show you today is exactly the basics that you need to trade right here on CX.io. So the first thing what you need to do is put money on your trading account. So we click right here on wallet. And then from here, what we're gonna do is click right here on add funds. And then right now you can fund everything what you want, but we want to fund US dollar right here. So we click on that, and then right now we select here a payment method. So what we can do is select right here credit, debit card, Google Pay or Apple Pay. Select here Apple Pay, fill in the amount that we want to put to our account. Then we click here on Apple Pay, and then we can pay from our phone. So make sure that you do that, and then after that we can start trading, because we created our account, verified our account, and now we are trading ready. So what we're gonna do right now is click here on CX.io, and then what we're gonna do right here is go to products and click on spot trading. And then right now he sent us to the place where everything happened. So what we're gonna do right now, when you have money standing on your account, what you going to do is right here, click here on Bitcoin, and then you can search for what you want to buy. So let's say we want to take position on Bitcoin. Now normally you can search here, for example, for Sol, and then we have right here Solana there. And right now we want to search for Bitcoin. So what we're gonna do is BTC, and then we have BTC to US dollars right there. Then if you want to buy something, we click here on buy, and then right now you can fill in right here how much you want to buy. So we want 100 US dollars in Bitcoin. You can also throw it with this nice button right there, how much percentage you want to step in. And then after that, what you need to do is quite simple. We click here on buy. Now it's standing on insufficient balance, because I don't have standing any money on this account. But if you have it, you can click right there on buy. It also works exactly the same for sell. Fill in here the amount, then go right here to this place here where you can click on sell, and then you can create your sell position. You can also play with this. You can create a stop limit right there, or you can do a limit order or a marked order, what we did. But yeah, you need to decide what you want to do, because you can also create right here a stop price where he will automatically stop or position, and he will close or trade. We call it a stop loss. So if you want to do that, you can do it by yourself. But look for yourself what you want to do. You can buy and sell right there. If you want to change something right here, you have here the settings options where you can change the symbols, the status lines or scales, or change the canvas, what you like. We also have here a settings option where you can also change the things right here. And if you go right here to this symbol, you can change it from English to Espanol if you want to do that. But these are all the basics that you need to know. If you just create yourselves a position on the chart, you will find right here all the orders that you created. And if you want to close your order, just click right here on the cross that you will see if you are having an open position to close your trade. So that is exactly how it works right here on CX.io. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you want to know anything from the website, please comment it right here under in the comments so I can help you out right there. And like I told, hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.